Hello, this is Archana. Today we are going to see types of firewall. There are four types of firewall. One is packet filtering firewall, stateful inspection firewall, application proxy firewall, and circuit level proxy firewall. Now we are going to see what is packet filtering firewall. Packet filtering firewall is a network security device that filters incoming and outgoing network packets based on a predefined set of rules. These rules are typically based on IP address, port numbers, and protocols. The firewall examines each packet and allows or blocks it according to the rules configured. These types of firewall operates at a fundamental level by applying a set of predetermined rules to each network packet that attempts to enter or leave the network. This is you can see in this figure. There has a user 1 and a user 2. If any user 1 is requesting some uh, packets in an internet server, it should match, and by returning it should pass the firewall, and the firewall will check the source IP address and destination IP address. If it is right, then the user can receive the packet. Packet filtering was two main components within each packet to determine their legitimacy, the header and the payload. The packet header includes the source and destination IP address, revealing the packet's origin and intent endpoint. Protocols such as TCP, UDP, and ICMP defines the rules of engagement for the packet's journey. But in a packet filtering, as one drawback, it never check the payload. So some hackers can add an additional information or something hacker in a payload, and it can reach the user. So it has a less security but simple in maintenance and can build easily. As the second one, stateful inspection firewall. A stateful inspection firewall is a type of network security device that examines the state of network connections and the context of network traffic to make informed decisions about whether to allow or block incoming and outgoing network packets. These types of firewall operates at higher level than packet firewall. Yes, it has a security level high compared to the packet filtering firewalls. As is not only examining the packet headers but also track the state of network connection and context of network traffic. The fire tracks the state of network connection, including the source and destination IP address, port number, and protocols. The firewall examines the context of fire traffic, including the types of traffic and the application being used and the user identity. The firewall examines the packet headers and payload to determine the legitimacy of the traffic. This is the process of state inspection firewall. And the third one is application proxy firewall. These types of firewall operates at a higher level than packet filtering firewalls and stateful inspection firewalls, as it not only examines the packet headers and payload but also understands the context and content of the application traffic. Application layer infection. The firewall inspects the application traffic at the application layer 7 of the OSI model, examining the context of the traffic. Proxying. The firewall acts as a proxy between the client and the server, intercepting and relaying the traffic. Content filtering. The firewall was filter the content of the traffic, blocking or allowing specific type of traffic based on predefined rules. You can see this is an application proxy firewall. And the last one, circuit level proxy firewall. A circuit level proxy firewall is a type of network security device that acts an intermediary between client and service, establishing a circuit or connection between the two endpoints. These types of firewall operates at the session level, like transport level layer of the OSI model, examining the connection establishment and teardown process to ensure that only authorized traffic is allowed to pass through. Connection establishment. The firewall establish a connection between the client and the server, acting as a proxy for the client. Connection teardown. The firewall determines the connection between the client and server when the session is completed. Session layer inspection. The firewall inspects the connection establishment and teardown process to ensure that only authorized traffic is allowed to pass through. This is circuit level proxy firewall. Thank you.